If you're looking for a rear view mirror that's bigger, or you want to monitor what's in your back seat, then check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might have a car with a rear view mirror. I know I do. And you might just want a bigger rear view mirror. You want to be able to see everything that's going on behind your car. Or you might have kids, precious cargo in your back seat, and you want to monitor that too. So I picked this up. It's actually a giant rear view mirror with a wide angle rear seat mirror, and you can attach this to any stock rear view mirror. Now I'm kind of curious to see if this will work in my car. Oftentimes I'm carrying things in the back seat. Just want to make sure that ice cream isn't melting. And I was just kind of taking a quick look at it. First of all, this is what it comes with. We get this big rear view mirror. I mean, this is much bigger than my stock rear view mirror. Has a slight curvature to it, so it's going to give you a big wide field of view. Plastic housing. It's not super heavy. It's got a little clear plastic drop down right here. So if you have a security card or parking pass, I've definitely had those where you hang them off your rear view mirror. So it's kind of a nice little innovation. And then if we flip it around here, what we have are these little tabs. Now I want to show you that they have little rubber grippy things underneath here and up here, and this is to clamp onto your existing rearview mirror. You might say, how does it know how big my rearview mirror is? Well, these are spring loaded down here. So what you will do is you'll kind of put this over the top of your mirror and then pull these out and then pivot it onto your mirror and release those, so it'll just hold on. It's just going to be an add-on to your existing rearview mirror. But then if I flip it around, you can see this top portion up here has a little ball joint. It's kind of like a little tiny GPS ball joint, and you get in the package this other rearview mirror. Now this is a very small one, but it's curved, and this is to monitor what goes on in your back seat. That was also my nickname in high school. So you can see how that just snaps on. So what you can do here is take this and snap this on, and now what you can do is you can adjust this independently, up, down, left, right, and so you can focus this on your rear seat. So let's go ahead and just see if this works. All right, so first of all, I'm in my Audi, and I tried to put it on this mirror, and while I could get the mirror on, I couldn't get that secondary mirror to work because of the center console up here. It's too close to this mirror. So I'm going to jump in my Buick and see if we can get it working in there. All right, so in my Buick Encore here, I don't know, I might have the same problem, but I'm just going to go ahead and try to connect it to the top. I think you might have to angle it down first. Connect the top clips, and then pull these bottom clips. All right, so that's on. It's actually not bad. Can I adjust it so I can see out the back? Yes, I can. And now can I adjust this top mirror to see what's in the back seat? Ah! At least he's wearing a Lions jersey. So in my Buick Encore, because I have enough space here between the mirror and this top console, it definitely works. Now, if this drops down from your headliner quite a bit or is very close to the mirror, it might not work. But as you can see there, it's very wide. And honestly, even though this is pretty small, it's maybe, I don't know, a third of the size of the original mirror. So it's not super small, but yes, I can, if I pull the camera back here to where my eyes would be, I can definitely adjust this a little bit more so that I can see into the back seat. Now, obviously you can't see through your own headrest, so it's going to be really to be able to see what's in the middle portion of the seat. But if you're carrying stuff in the cargo area, maybe you have a kid in the back seat, this could certainly help. If you want to have more visibility from your main mirror and the visibility into your back seat or cargo area, I'll put a link to this mirror in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much.